How to automate reminders in Notion. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Navigate to the Notion workspace where you keep your tasks and notes. Step 2. In any page or database, type at reminder followed by the date and time. So example, at reminder tomorrow at 9 a.m. And then that's it. Step 3. If you use a task database, you can create a date property Notion, and then it will let you set reminders linked to that date. Step 4. Check your settings, and then go to your notifications, and then ensure that reminders are sent to your email, desktop, or mobile. Step 5. For advanced reminders, integrate Notion with tools like Zapier or Notion automations to repeat the reminders automatically. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.